So, well, good morning, guys. Thanks for being here. Right in the long position. Morning, guys. The options now. It's open a long position here near to the 51, 40, 40, 40, 43, or just waiting the retracement for that long, or open a sell position waiting the confirmation. That's the two options what we have at this point. So let's wait. It's pure patience. Let's see what happens. Pure patience. Let's see what happens with the next 6 minutes. Okay, let me read the chat. Wolf Nice here. You smart. Welcome, my friend. Jay. Morning. Yusef. Pikachu Gaming is here too. Jesus is here. And this is Slop. Faisal, my friend. Reduce the stop loss or don't take the position. The high volatility is like this nowadays. So it will not respect the little accounts. So it's going to be difficult. Just use the 0.01. Simple as that. Recién entré en long, Gonzalo ya entró. Voy a esperar esta candela en 4 minutos. I'm going to wait these 4 minutes for clarify my position, but at this moment, I prefer to open that long. Let's see, because the 5150, it's a possible option too. So let's see what we have. Okay, it's falling. Again, remember, I'm waiting this 50-minute candle ends. Falling so hard. Let's see what happened in this line. Daniel, hasta aquí. Buenos días, mi amigo. ¿Cómo vas? Remember, guys, we're waiting. We are not opening any position at this point. Okay, good reaction there. So let's be ready. It's time to be ready. Okay, around. It's going to be fast, so it's a must to be ready. Let's see if we can see some retracement for open that long. Let's wait a little more because it did around 100 pips in 3 minutes. So we need to clarify and get a good retracement if you want to open the trade. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Come on. Okay, it's going back. $46 is not the point. At least 51.40. That could be a good point. Pure patience. Yes, remember the stream have a 1 minute, 2 minutes, some seconds delay. Depends of your internet. Depends of your depends of your computers for sure. Come on, just we need some retrace. So well around 350 pips in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in 6 minutes. Both sides goes back, then go up. Yeah, Nasdaq's falling, but my son it's pretty low, around 24,700. Jesus Christ. So well, guys, the entry was there. And well, today we're going to have a shitty day. Yesterday we got a nice day, but the technical issue with with, I don't know, with the companies. Many people cancel the orders, and of course, when that happens, the price will fall. I just try to reduce it to the stop loss to hold the position and to see what happened. But well, yesterday I always said 90% of the people just closed the position when they saw the existing issues. So that's great. That's made me happy. There was an option, to hold the position. Um, well, Jay, I recommend to you, my friend, don't follow the stream because you have suffered some too much delay. So just don't follow it. Guys, almost 500 people is in the stream. So please, um, help me with the likes. I don't know if someone take the long position. If you don't know what I'm doing, what I'm looking, so don't trade. As simple as that. Nothing to say. No retracement. I know it was not retracement. Well, it could be a really good trade. But well, in 3 minutes it did around 100 pips, so that's difficult. But well, the buy zone works perfectly. That's make me happy. That's make me happy. Pablo, pura vida, mi amigo. Bueno, verlo de nuevo. Estábamos esperando una compra en 51.40. ¿Qué pasó? Pues se nos fue muy rápido. La teníamos ahí, nada más ocupamos un poquito de retroceso y listo, pero ahí se nos fue. Mm, Call gum hit the 5070. Yes, we hit the full TP. That's awful. Okay, so let's forget the sell some. Well, let's forget the buy some. It's time to wait the sell position. Here it's different, guys. Here it's different. Into the buy position, just we need to wait the retracement and then open the trade. Here into the sell zone, we need to wait the confirmation. We need to wait the confirmation for clarify the position. Getting is here. Okay. It's clean beam. I'm using the funded account. So tell me about your questions. If you have any questions, just let me know about if you want to be funded or something. Remember, if you want to be a funded trader, just go into the performance.com. There you will see what is your best option, the best discount um for according to your wallet, according to your knowledge, instant funding, phase two, phase one, phase three. It depends of what you want. There is a beautiful option, a proper match. If you don't have, if you like the experience, just go there, share your experience, um, share your experience, share your good results, your bad results, share your bad experience. Um, and well, that's great, guys. This is for Jato Phi James, my friend. I'm not changing nothing. I'm not changing nothing. We have a different brokers. Different brokers have a different prices. As simple as that, guys. It's so tired, like it's being reading that type of people that who don't know how to broker works. J2 flying hands. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. Stay away of the channel. Try to learn basic things, please. It's you need to basic things if you want to be into the string, guys. The price in Pepperstone, for example, is 51.79. The price in XELLION is, well, now it's in all the brokers is 51.81. Same as XELLION. All the brokers looks like the similar prices: 51.79, 51.79, 51.79, 51.79. Oanda, Pepperstone, FXM, same as XELLION. All the brokers looks pretty similar. So so yes, guys, if you have a different prices, 10, 20, 50 pips different than mine, I recommend change the broker. If you want to work with me, use Cellium. As simple as that. There is the link to. There is the link to. Uh, si son de México, pueden usar cuenta bancaria para hacer depósito o criptos, como prefieran. For the rest of the world, if you are for India, you can use UPI. If you are for Pakistan, you can use UPI, or crypto, whatever you want. Um, but yes, for the rest, Central and South America, the only deposit option is by cryptos, and withdrawal is by crypto too. Okay, so just be clear of that, guys. Be clear of that. It's normal that there is a slit page and a stop loss in every broker. It's not a normal slit page, my friend. It's not normal to have a slit page. If you want to avoid the slit page, the bugs and everything, again, we are starting with Cellium trustable information. Beautiful. I prefer that's my old funds here. My balance is there. The thing what I like it is I can do the withdrawals by crypto. When I do the withdrawals with crypto or the add money by crypto, less than 5 minutes I will receive the money with no issues. So that's a good thing, guys. But the people who don't understand cryptos don't understand how to use USDT. Um, this is the information. This is the information you have. If you want to use wire transfers or Visa, Mastercard for do your withdrawals, this is not the broker, guys. Selling for most of the people for the Central, South America, Europe, you can use the broker just by crypto. India, Pakistan, UPI have a different option. Same for Singapore and other countries in Asia has a different options for do the withdrawal or the add money by Visa, Mastercard. But for Central, South America, Europe, it's by crypto. Use Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a good option too. But I think it didn't work for United States. I think Pepperstone is not a good option for the United States. Mhm. Again, all the brokers looks pretty similar. The prices looks pretty similar. The prices now, for example, 51, 51, 81, sorry, 81, 81, 81, 81. And this is, for example, Pepperstone, Oanda, FX, CM, the Alchemy markets. All the prices looks pretty similar. 83, 83, 83, 80, 24, 84, 84, 84. All the brokers is a must looks like this, like a really similar like the others. Okay. From Pakistan, that's good. Can we sell soon? Yes. Here we're waiting the confirmation, guys. That's all. That point, 88. Where is 88 here? Here, 88. We need to see something good here in this point. A confirmation. That's my real money, my friend. Truth. Retracing. Bounce down. Trade active. No, it's not active. Have you have you heard about XM broker? Uh, yes, that's another option. But I'm here something bad reviews because of the withdrawals. But well, it depends. Test XM it's another option too. Again, guys, same discussion as yesterday. I prefer to use my money and pass all my money by cryptos, not direct to the bank. It's your decision if you want to spend commissions into the wire transfer, international transfers, and everything. That's up to you. But by my side, I prefer to do everything by crypto. Um, XQ, my friend, test XM, they will give you the service and they will give you the the service. But that depends of your experience, you know. Test it and then share your experience, and that's all. But you need to test it first. We're talking about UXM. Or if you want to test Cellium, that's the option. You will have a MT5 or the Cellium app. This is the Cellium Trader. So all the environment looks like this. I really enjoy it because I need the colors, you know, this type of things for explain and everything. So that's great. Can we sell? No. Remember, guys, the only option here what we have for opening the long position was for so minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. Now it gave us that reaction. Now we need to some confirmation. Okay, we are Iron News. What Iron News? What Iron News? What Iron News, guys? Not sure in the start at this moment. For that reason, we are not opening any position at this point. With Nasdaq, we already got this some reactions there. Este era 800. Where's the red shooting star? Okay, still tied in a meeting. From below, we try to publish. Lorito, can Celium be added to my NT5? Yes, you can add empty Celium to NT5. And I recommend if you're going to use your cell phone, MT5 is so friendly, so you can use it MT5 with no issues. Good chat. Thanks, my friend, for your likes. Guys, try to help me with the likes. Yes, almost 800 people is seeing this stream, and just 100 likes for Xcube. If you open the account, remember you will apply for the 100 welcome bonus. And if you want to receive the Telegram signals, there will be another option too. Just contact me by WhatsApp if you add the money for that. So there's the link if you want to work as me, same as me with Celium. Probably tomorrow I will try the here into the live account withdrawal, but first I need to do some money. Today's a stop loss, bro. So I mean, get out of the channel. Get out of the channel. Mm. Ready for the short? No, that's not a no. That's not a shooting star. Thanks, my friend. Yes, I already explained. You can use Celion with MT5. Just create the account. Just use the link to create the account, and then you will have the options for create the MT5. I've been along 51, 32. That's beautiful. Good job, my friend. And the kids. Okay, looks like a shooting star, guys. Now it looks like a shooting star. If nice exactly any advice, just open your position, my friend. I wait because many people depends of this. Um, but you can open the positions there. Okay, so can we in? I'm waiting because the price continue with the pressure, and it didn't looks like a really strong point. So we will wait. What? Where is the gun box? Gun box here. No, I'm going to use this line. We need to break that line if we want to open the cell. So let's see. Celio can be added used to Celion Live server. Yes, I'm using the Celion Live server. Roel, so you can see live the balance, everything. What do you think about loan sale? No, never. I never think of the loan sales. Always goal wants to generate a new all-time high. How's your week? A lot of wins? No. Three stops and two wins. But the one of that wins was a full take profit for more than $1,000. So that was great. I think it's going up. Let's see. And in break even, Kevin, it's already in a position. That's great. How many years in trading? 6 years. 6 years, guys. 6 years. Last February was my six. Well, this February is my sixth birthday in trading. Estás en venta. Estoy esperando que esta vela termine. Vamos a ver si se toma o no se toma. Dependemos mucho de esta vela. Así que esperemos. Seguimos esperando la venta. Recuerden, teníamos dos opciones: comprar de una vez en el retroceso de la compra. No pude comprar en el momento en que tocó. Hizo en menos de 3 minutos 100 pips, así que estaba raro meter la entrada ahí. Así que bueno, fue hermosa, la zona en compra funcionó perfecto, pero ahora estamos en zona en venta, así que estamos esperando confirmación. Bueno, la confirmación que quiebre esta línea azul y si no se quiebra, no entramos. O que el precio suba, por ejemplo, 51.96 y nos dé un shooting star, entonces ahí podemos entrar. Esto es very hard to trade. Very hard to trade. Okay. Can I take a sell now? No. I already explained. No, we are waiting, guys. We need to break this blue line if we want to open the trade. Or the other option is this candle goes to 51.99, for example, and then give us a shooting star and go back to the sell zone. Okay. Very hard to trade time. Yes, very hard to trade time. Yesterday, I think I fought this trade just for the because when the price when the with all the yesterday all go to the normal things, the price trying to go up, and then just sell. No, was my point of view as a possibility to go up, but for that reason, when I feel like I'm going to lose the position, I just reduce the stop loss, and that's all. Thanks God, many people here close that positions. Your shooting star and golfing also work as confirmation exactly. Buenas tardes, ¿estás vendiendo? Sí, esa es la idea. Waiting, estamos esperando 10 minutos. Waiting 10 minutes. Can you tell? Can you tell on basis of what the blue lines market? This is the middle of the candle. This is a point of reaction for buyers for continue with the with the trend or not. Depends of the 51.78. If that break can give us that confirmation, we will wait to open the position around 51.80. Okay, waiting at this point. I think my explanation is clear. I really want to everyone it's clear now. We got this beautiful what like it's not beautiful. It's not beautiful. This market conditions, guys. Use the correct lot size for your account is the must. Please, please. Seven minutes. Sopek is here. Hello, my friend. Welcome. Thanks for the info. Okay, coach. Thanks for your attention, my friend. And this is a good opportunity to buy. Let's see. I'm trusting my sons. So, well, let's see what happened. What was the word in the news? How many wins this week? 2 wins. 2 wins and one full take profit for around 300 pips. 5 minutes to confirm. 5 more minutes to confirm, guys. Hello from Uzbekistan. Welcome, my friend. Okay, how much you have got in your trading account, guys? You already see the information. This is my balance, and that's all. You can see all the information in front of you. So well, good morning, my friend. Boston, my friend from Boston, from Portugal, here for Kazakhstan. Okay, guys, almost get the confirmation. Just 3 minutes more for confirm. Three minutes. We got the confirmation, then we wait the retracement. It's a real account. It's a real account. Wait the retracement. Waiting the retracement. Exactly. Hello from Jordania. Beautiful. You're doing trade for 6 years. 6 years. I said 6 years. I lose a lot of money in the road. Even I continue losing money. This account started with 1,000. Now it looks like this. So well, trading is not about the how much you're going to win. It's how much you are prepared for lose, and that's all. Desde Barcelona, mi amigo, bienvenido. 1 minute. Brasil. Bueno, estamos esperando, está confirmando. 1 minuto para que confirme. Recuerden, está quebrando la línea azul. Así que bueno, eso es parte de la confirmación de la zona. Esperaremos retroceso. Y luego de ese retroceso, iniciaremos con el proceso en venta. ¿Ok? Así que todos tranquilos, relax. Stay there, relax, guys. Let's pray there's the prices stay there. Not too much fall at this point. Now it's looking like an engulfing candle. Okay. Three years for James Sook. James Sook. 3 years. Awful times, good times. But at the end, it's my job. Difficult positions, difficult decisions every day. Many losses, many wins. Market conditions, very difficult. Okay, guys, let's be ready. Okay, 51.77. Price is going up, so that's great. So let's prepare the position. Retesting the point, so that's great. Okay. Okay, let's open the position. Ay, fuck. commit a mistake. Into the Telegram. Okay. $51.82. Okay, the position it's open. Remember, use the proper lot size for your account. Position it's open. 51. It's a must to defend this point if you want to continue. Okay. Working into the TPS. 51.62. 3. So there is the stop, 51.96. And this is the position. Let's see if we can touch TP1. Let's see. Good. We need to continue with this pressure for the next 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. If you don't want to sell, don't sell, guys. That's all. If you don't, if you have another point of view, that's good. Take your own positions. That's my position. Let's see what happened here. Now we are almost 60 pips in positive, 70 pips. Me estuve preguntando. No pensaba. So we need more next. We need more for the for past the 51.75. Let's see. Puede estar sin verte. Puede estoy soñando. Pasando sin ti. The last 3 minutes. Everything can happen now. We can go straight to the TPS, or we can go straight to the stop loss. That's a possibility. So it depends of you, according to your knowledge, if you want to continue with the trade and everything. I'm still holding. Just my only request is respect the stop loss and use the correct lot size for your account. Still there. This is the last two candles. And this is the last candle respecting the point of entry, so that's great. But we need to see more pressure, of course. 51.79. We need to stay there. 51.80. Going back to our point of entry. Let's see what happened. The reaction. $51.79. Again, we need to break the 51.75. That's the most important thing if we want to continue for the TPs. Testing the point of entry again. Testing the point of entry, the 51.81. Give us a good reaction. It's going back. 78. Just so Anelo, close your position in positive. That's all. Close your position. If you feel the stress, close it. If you feel the stress, close it, and that's it. As simple as that. Sí. ¿Quién es el macho? Mm. So well, still there into the point of entry, guys. Again, if you don't like the trade, you will see some blue numbers. Close the position, as simple as that. Going to test the 5182. We need to stay under the 5187 at least. Diego, hola ahorita acá digo de Argentina, me gusta como tradeas, la paciencia y sobre todo en confirmaciones. Gracias, es un placer, mi amigo. Cualquier duda o consulta, simplemente ahí me escribís en el chat. Contesto en español sin problema. Ujú. So well, now we are in a little consolidation there again, same as yesterday, but now the price is moving. Looks like it's moving, so it's different. Mhm. So let's see what happened. Remember the broker where I'm using right now, and XELLION. Very smooth, very clear with the entry. Not a slippage. Same price as a massive all of the trustable brokers, same XELLION. So if you want to get in, remember their promotion, the welcome bonus is there. 100% welcome bonus. You will receive if you share me the your deposit. You will receive the Telegram signals, guys. Now we're still waiting. Again, we need to stay under the 5187, 88. Of course, I really want to go back to the 5175. That's our point for break this little structure here. Let's see what happened. Pure patience. Pure patience. Let's continue with more. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Stay there into the 5183. This is the last 3 minutes. Testing the 5185. We need to stay under the 5185, 5187. That's a must. Two minutes. Going back to our point of entry. This is the last candle. The market is strange, yes, every time with these decisions for Donald Trump. It's a difficult game. This is strange, difficult, many pips, high volatility. For that reason, reduce your lot size, use according your wallet. Let's say this is the last candle for 1 minute, staying under 51.95, so that's great. near to our point of entry. Okay, new candle for 15 minutes. Staying there. So we need to wait this 30 minutes, 40 minutes for going positive again. It's taking time. Probably for some people, it's a better position for open the trade. But again, the stop loss is 51.96. That 50. The stop loss is our best friend. That's all, guys. As simple as that. The stop loss is our best friend. The TPS, of course. I really enjoy the TPS and everything. But if you want to be a good trader, you need to understand always. You need to trade with a stop loss, even with these conditions, with a high volatility conditions. Okay, so be clear of that. Please understand. It's part of the trades. 51.96. That 50 is the maximum point. If you get a better entry, 51.97, 51.98 maximum. And well, again, if you don't like the position, just don't take the entry. Don't take the entry. Hunt trader. Okay, going to stop loss. Perfecto. Es un stop loss. Está bien por mí. Today's a day. I took the same entry. Perfect. I'm a smart running concept trader. Good CC LLC. So you're trading since 16. And why you are here? If you are that good, if you are better than me, why you are here? Um. mhm. Stop loss hunter boost. So if you don't like the stop loss, guys, just don't take the position. As simple as that. Don't take the positions. He is 16 in 1 month. I have a really good trader for 17 years old, Graham. He's a really good trader, but he is not an asshole as Cheesy. That's a different. Probably for that reason, Graham is successful and Cheesy is not successful, and needs channels like me to come here and copy the trades. As simple as that. I don't want to be chill. stay chill into the chat. If you don't like to take my position, just stay away and shut up. As simple as that. Don't came here, stress the people who are taking the position. Guys, focus on me. Remember, if I lose, I'm going to stay here. If I win, I'm going to stay here. Focus always on me. If you want to, uh, if you want to insult, if you want to whatever things, insult me. Try to keep the chat focus because many people need a quiet chat, guys. So that's the idea. So just relax. If you don't like the trade, don't see blue numbers, close the positions. If you have a better entry, um, if you get a better entry, for example, 51.83 or something like this, use the same stop loss 51.96, no more than that. Okay. So relax. So stay there. Relax, guys. Don't fight together. Because that things don't help for your mental health and everything. Stay relaxed into the chat. It doesn't matter if the people don't like me. That's okay. I'm okay with that. Just try to be focused into the trade. The ones who are focusing into the trade, and that's all. That's all. Okay. Again, I'm the only one who stay here every day, Monday to Friday. If I lose, I'm going to stay here. If I win, I'm going to stay here. Whatever happens, I'm going to stay here. That's the only difference with the people into the chat. Mhm. Don't get angry. I'm not angry. I'm just trying to be realistic with the people who are trying to confuse the chat, to make noise into the chat, and try to control them. Guys, again, the price is now it's giving us a very good reaction. And well, let's see what happened. Again, we need to break the 51.75. But again, if you are feeling so stressed and seeing some blue numbers and everything, just close it. If you don't like the trade, close it. If you understand, even in this point, we can go straight to the stop loss in one candle. Um, you can hold with me. I'm holding the position and holding the blue numbers as much as I can, and that's all. So this is the last 5 minutes, really important 5 minutes. We need to stay there into the next 5 minutes. So continue into the position. Let's see what happened. Remember, I'm using Xelium. If you want to use this beautiful platform for trade, just go into the link. I'll share the link into the chat, and you will receive the promotion for the 100 welcome bonus, the Telegram access. So while testing the 51.75, it's important to the next candle. We can continue there. Let's see. Looks difficult, but well, let's try. 3 minutes. Good idea. Move the stop loss if you want to be in break even. That's your opinion, my friend Montero. You can use it the break even with no issues. If you want to use it, use it. I will hold a little more, at least for the TP1. This is the last two candles. Must the last two candles stay there? Let's see. Losing some volume again. When it touched the 51.75, give us a reaction for buyers. Losing the volume again. Let's see what happened. Recovering. This is the last candle. Last candle is recovering some money for buyers again. Let's see. Well, the good thing is, looks like an engulfing there, so that's okay. But again, we need to break the 51.75 if we want to continue. Mhm. Okay, still there. Still there into the point of entry. I'm hungry, guys. I'm hungry. Um, well, let's see. I'm going to wait this candle and then I'm going to eat my breakfast, okay? Because I'm hungry. So 12 minutes and we stay into the same point of entry. Buyers defending the 51.75. Sellers defending the 51.85. So that's the situation what we have at this point. No, USD gem, probably one or two trades per month. I trade in USD gem. For Shosai, my friend, if you're scared, just close your position. Now you're in positive, so close it. Well, guys, if your position is in, for example, for seeking knowledge, I don't know, if you open the position 51.84, we will touch the 51.76, for example. Probably you can take some partial or something, but now by my side, I'm waiting, still waiting the position, guys. Still waiting. Let's see what we have. Pure patience. Pure patience. Let's see what happened. Testing again the 51.85. 51.85. 51.96. 'Adding the second position there. That's in the 51.87, so that's the maximum point, or the max point of retracement is the 51.90. Let's see what happened. Your patience. 'The seller's trying to defend the 51.86. Let's see the next 5 minutes. It's important to continue in the next candles. 51.87. And this is the last 5 minutes. Let's see if we can see a good results for the next five. Looking so strong, 51.89. Let's see if we can find a good reaction in 51.90. That's a possibility too. Mm-hmm. 51.89. We need to see a good reaction in the next four candles. It's important to give us okay. Seems a little reaction for sellers at this point, 51.88. Let's see. We need to clarify the next three candles. Strong candle with the generating a volume and point of reaction for buyers. It's not passing the maximum points to the 51.90. That's a little positive, but well, it depends for the next three candles if we can go back to our point of entry or not. So again, even if you take better point of entry or get better position like 51.88, 51.87, use the same stop loss 51.96, that 50. Okay, be clear of that. Be clear of that, please. So, well, good reaction for sellers. Let's see the next two candles. We need to stay under the 51.85. So 51.85, 51.85. This is the last two candles. So, well, this is the last candle. We need to continue with this pressure for the sellers, of course. So, let's see what we have. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. See, boy. Pure patience, guys. I already take my decision, my friend, for Philip, Felipe da Silva. Felipe da Silva, my friend. That's my decisions, guys. Um, I'm okay if I lose. So that's according yourself, according your strategy. If you don't like to sell, if you're going to lose or something, this is not your channel game. Close your positions. If you now you're in positive, so you can close your position if you don't like it. So that's all. But that's That's my strategy. That's my sell zone. I take the position according to the confirmation. Follow the process. I will follow the process, and that's all. So well, 51.85 give us a good reaction, good confirmation. So your old channel for candidate advice? Yes, exactly. There is enough room to create a FG. CSC continue here. I don't know why he's here. So everyone said, "Oh, growth into the channel like soup." With two soup, I will block him. Jesus Christ. Okay, price is near to 51.78 again. That's it. So I'm still holding him. I'm still holding him. Exactly, Ice Wolf. If anyone is scared, then you're seeing best positions or blue numbers. Close it. If you feel the scared, that means you're not using the correct lot size. So well, guys, waiting again. Reaction in 75. 75 looks like a strong point. Arrived late today and didn't participate until what you've been watching with a great interest. It's very dramatic, but the most important thing we can learn from you, dear. Perfect, my friend. Life. Yeah, many people, if you use the position here or something, open the position around 51.87 or something like this. That could be an option. What could make you change about your mind if the price ends near more than 51.90? If we have a full volume candle ending more than 51.90, that could be a lose. Now we got another shooting star confirming the sun, but we need to break the 51.75. That's the important thing. Okay, that's the important thing. I know many people is not holding already closed, but that's okay. If you want to close it in positive, that's okay. If you feel the pressure, you are starting and you have the knowledge, and you feel the pressure, that's totally valid. The only thing what is not valid is stress the chat by yourself, like uh, trying to generate controversial shells into the chat and try to make the people anxious or something like that. It's it's that's not fair. That's not fair. So well, this is the last four candles. This is the last four candles. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Two minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yes, cybersec. That's my that's my living. That's my way of living. For that reason, I'm stay here many hours with no breakfast, with no schedule. I'm really hungry, guys. But I really want to take the TP1 at least for go for my breakfast. It's almost 11:30 a.m. I didn't eat nothing, just the some chicles, some clarets here for the anxious. I'm hungry. So well, finally we break the 51.75. Nico Dotexe. Nico, sí, soy de Costa Rica. Usted también. Tenemos como dos ticos ya en el canal. Dos o tres. Creo que tres. Well, they have a breakfast usually in Costa Rica. Well, the typical dish for breakfast in Costa Rica is rice, beans mixed with some spices like a pepper, onion. What else? Cook with some butter. Like mix everything fried. Uh, Cheese, something like a sour cream. I think it's natilla, but I don't know how to say in English. Sour cream. Um, Salchichon is delicious. Well, it depends of the salchichon. Jam. Got many things. Texas, brother. Perfecto, mi amigo de México. Perfecto, aprovechando que hay gente de México. Recuerden que igual si quieren trabajar con Celion, como yo lo estoy haciendo directamente con ellos, simplemente pueden desde México crearse una cuenta y pueden hacer el depósito directamente desde el banco sin problema. Es el único país en América que lo puede hacer directamente con Celium. Los demás por cripto. Pero voy a aprovechar esa ventaja directamente que es de Tamaulipas, de Costa Rica, Gato City. We are having. Okay, let me see. Let me read the others here. Read why you don't trade gold future instead forex. I prefer the forex, my friend. That's my strategy. My strategy based on forex pairs. So that is the reason I prefer that. So well, probably Shisi. It's done with his stop loss. He was holding a position there. So well, guys, let's prepare for the TP1. Finally. Congratulations for the ones who hold the position. We will touch the stop loss in the next 2-3 minutes. Sorry, the TP1. I really enjoy, the breakfast from Mexico. It's beautiful. But there's something what I don't like if they don't have water. Water. You can go to the sink and open your and drink the water. It's going up a little. Hey, Luciel, hola, mi amigo. Let's see. Oh, very close, but now it's giving us a reaction. I can drink my tap water. Yes, here in Costa Rica is the same. We can drink the tap water with no issues. But now in Mexico. I think most of the countries in South America is the same. You can drink tap water. Same in Central America. But here in Costa Rica, you can drink it for your tap water directly with no issues. José, claro, de entre 500 a $600 haciendo streaming todos los días. No es mucho. So well, now it's pure patience, guys. But I'm going to eat. Okay, I'm hungry. I'm going to eat. I'm trying to. Um, I'm hungry. I'm starving. So I'm going to eat. Back in 10 minutes. Okay. I will call if we touch the stop loss or the TPs. I will call it there. Stay there, guys. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Llévame. 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 De un ladito tuyo. So I'll get back, guys. Rating 5176. Still holding. The remember the TP1 is for 100 pips, guys. Now we're in around, I don't know how much, 70, 90 pips. So if you want to close it, that's okay. That's totally okay. Let's see. I'm expect the price can continue with the pressure. So well, let's see what happens. Just holding. Many people is holding too. Um. Well, I was expecting like come back and call the TP1, but well, it's gold. It's not that easy. Emil, welcome. Welcome to the members. On holding, very slow market. Yes, it's pure patience, guys. If we got the patience to be negative for 1 hour, We have the patience. We need to have the patience to be in positive for next hour. We need to understand it's part of the trades to hold the positions in positive, guys. It's part of the strategy. It's part of the trading. You're right. Her bit up and down. Yes, sometimes it's like this, guys. Sometimes it's very slow. Well, we're having some results now. That's great. Well, remember, if you want to receive more entries or just the support by Telegram or Discord, you can contact me by WhatsApp. You can all contact me by WhatsApp. But yes, again, many people close the positions in negative, and the TP1 it's now, guys. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now 106 pips. It's time to take some partials. Taking some partials, guys. Taking some partials. One position is totally closed. The other one will continue in B. 106 pips. Close B. I closed the second position and now holding the TP2, guys. 5x earn $100. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits, guys. 100 pips with too much issues, I know. Mhm. Now I'm holding the position for 0.29, right? 29, so 29. 0.30, I'm holding 0.30 for the TP2. TP2 it's for 147. Okay. So share your profits at this point. Jesus, $400. Everyone tag Shiz. That guy is cheesy. Everyone tag him. So intense. Well, tag the people who was bothering us into the chat. 46. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Remember, we're in break even. We are in break even, guys. We are in break even. We are in break even. We are in break even. I already closed one position, and I already closed the. I already take some partials to the main entry. Okay. Okay. TP2 guys. TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now guys. We'll take some partial. Zero. Taking another partial in TP2. Plus 146. 146 pips plus B. So TP2 guys. Share your profits. Share your profits into the chat. So guys, remember we are into this. We're in break even, guys. We're in break even. We are in break even. We are in break even, guys. She'll okay. She is here. Good. Perfect, my friends. So that is the reason for just if you're not going to apport or write something good into the chat, it's better to keep calm and just see the stream. If I lose the position, yes, go and blame me with no issues. But better keep in silence, and that's all. Let's hold the. Let's see for the TP3 who is still holding. We are still holding. Who is still holding? Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits. So well, this is my first time watching your trade, and thank you on learning that patience. That's the idea, Onika. That's the idea. Everyone here learn the patience and everything. Work together. It's pretty simple to work together. Stay chill. Stay chill. It's pretty easy. Just be a positive person. It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy to be a positive person into the chat, guys. For that reason, when I saw that intense, that trying to generate anxious the chat, try to generate more pressure to the people. The chat here is for work together, not for that type of things, like no, it's going to hit your stop loss, guys. Why? Just don't take the position and stay away of the chat, and that's all. Close the streaming, unfollow me, whatever. That's not needed, guys. That's not needed into the chat because many people here is here for the support. Uh, they're trying to stay calm, but that person's came here just for make that type of comments. That's not fair, and I'm not going to permit that. TP3 guys, TP3 guys, it's now. TP3, it's now. TP3 go down. Price and break even, please. Plus 196 pips. I'm going to take some partials here. TP3. So, well, my B is 5176. 10,000. Lewis. I always be in 10,000. Then I'm going to 8,000. And now finally I'm in positive. So, well, share your profits, guys. I want to read the profits now. I want to read the profits now. So, well, holding the same position desde el comienzo de la sesión de que sería FUTP. Esperemos que así sea, Gonzalo. And 300 people, 300 dollars for new post by creator, my friend. That's beautiful. Ken, $75. That's beautiful. Vamos a ver, Pablo, que no se mueva para comprar cuenta de fondeo instantánea para comenzar a operar poco a poco, podría hacerla crecer. Yo tengo una de dos pasos de 100K. Pablo, le recomendaría que se mantenga con la cuenta de 100K. Que se quede con la cuenta de 100K, pase eso y ya eso piensa en una instant funding. ¿Ok? Pero le recomendaría que se quedara con eso. De ahí, si igual tiene alguna duda, para ver cuál le sirve de instant funding. Nada más vaya a Profit Match. El link está en la descripción. Ahí lo va a tener sin problema. ¿Okay? Cualquier pregunta ahí me preguntas y listo. So, well, $300. I made $10. Only $12. That's okay. That's your $12, my friend Asaf. That's your $12. Let me see. Ali, $1,096. Beautiful. Beautiful. $20. Sask, $300. Good. $5,000 for that beat. David Engatia. That's great. Bartos, good job, man. Thanks, my friend. Excelente evento, bien por vos. Buen trade. Diego, gracias por el apoyo. Okay, Hero Gaddis, 8,000. That's too much, my friend. That's great. Perfecto, Pablo. Un gusto. Ahorita, después de aprobar la fase 2, en FX, ¿cuánto tiempo la prueban? Darme el acceso a cuenta fundida. Llevo 5 días y no me la dan. ¿Saben cuánto tardan? Eh, Gilmar, sí, recuerda que los fines de semana no cuentan. Y porque revisan como la historial de trade, si van viendo eso y cuestiones. Pero ellos tienen de 3 a 5 días laborables. Entonces, depende de cuándo se fundió. eh, ya lo terminan, pero si ya se fundió, muy probable que ya lo tengan un 95% de que los próximos días estén dando la cuenta sin problema. De 3 a 5 días laborables. Ok, Leticia Silvana. Gané $356. That's beautiful. User come $400. That's great. That's great. Beautiful. My friend Cheesy, to be honest, I don't block you at the last minutes just because I will want to show you how to trade, you know. But you are not welcome here, to be honest. So get out of my channel now. You're going to be blocked. Larito, you're from Dubai. Thank you from Dubai. It's a pleasure, Mavic. So Tokyo session, yes, Tokyo session today. Sí. Entonces probablemente entre hoy y mañana te están dando la el pase. Thank you, my friend. Thanks for your patience. We earn money. It's a pleasure, my friend. The Sopek, I already told you I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I recognize your picture, so that's okay. Bravo. Still holding. For Jay, it's $390. That's great, guys. Beautiful. Jose, excellent. Oh, as always, thanks, my friend. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, guys. Any suggestion? I have a buy for 51.85. I already explained why it's not a good point to open alone. So, well, guys, remember if you want to be part of this community, this beautiful community, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's a lifetime subscription for $169. Good. Just remember, it's not a free access. Okay, it's not a free access for be there into the channel. I already blocked him after the trade. Just I want to see what he is going to say when we won the trade, and that's all. Yes, I'm still holding. Thanks, bro, Marcilio. Again, thanks to you for being part of the community, for being part of the channels too, the Telegram. I really appreciate that, and for of course, for being a member. I'm still holding, guys. The membership is for reward. My friend from Boston, thanks, my friend. Yes, it will work. It will work, and that's the idea to make the people gets their money back and get profits. That's the idea of this channel, of this beautiful project, guys. No problem. Excellent. YouTube, $300. That's great. Any buy trade? No, at this moment. Never listen the others that double to you. Never listen the people into the chat, guys. The random people, because you can recognize if you are all in this channel. You can recognize many people. It's different people every day. But the only one, again, the only one who being here sitting in front of you, talking with you directly, guys, it's me. The others will disappear every day. We have a different people every day. Focus on me. If you are happy, that's okay. If you are angry, that's okay. But always focus on me, guys. Focus on me. The pressure is on me. And that's all. Okay? So always be clear of that. It's pretty important to be clear of that. How to join your Telegram? Remember, Telegram is not for free. It's $169. Just go into the WhatsApp and you will see the information there. Right, I see you from practice and follow your start. That's why I made a lot of profit today. Thanks a lot. That's a pressure, my friend Alec. For Novichik, it's $169. How much it cost? $169 again. Hang off. See you next week, my friend. See you next time. Well, tomorrow. Tomorrow. See you tomorrow, my friend. Rick Chan was the all-in guy. That's nice, my friend. Hopefully you take this straight and not the last one. Very good point. If the people come here to listen to you, they should not get distracted by the others. Exactly. Um, a lot of noise into the chat, guys. A lot of noise into the chat. For that reason, I I recommend, like, focus on me, guys. Focus on me. I recommend the Telegram channel because Telegram channel is clear, smooth, and easy to understand the signals, and not here like everyone is talking. Everyone have a different positions and everything. So well, what's the strategy you use? I use the volume cell zones, guys. Volume cell zone. See you tomorrow. Thanks for today. It's a pleasure, guys. I'm still holding. My B is here. My B is here, guys. 51.75. I went to 75 in total here. There is 71.75. That's my position. Full B. I'm in full B, holding the full take profit. I took all the trades, bro. Gang, perfect. Sorry to see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for the support. No Nasdaq today. No Nasdaq today, my friend. Sorry, but Nasdaq was worse. Nasdaq is still falling. Nasdaq is falling with no stop. So for that reason, no Nasdaq today. Okay, guys. So probably it will test my BIM. Our market can go up. Yes, market can go up. But at least we already take the TP3. That was beautiful. That was great. Many people make a really good money. That's make me happy. Remember, if you want to win and work with me, with Celium, you can use the option, the link for Celium, this beautiful, beautiful broker, and apply for the promotion 100% welcome bonus. It will apply, okay? Just follow the link. From Malaysia, as you can see, the trades, you can take it very very smooth, very clean. No slippage, no nothing. So that's great. So that's great. Perfect, guys. So beautiful. Let's still holding. I don't know if someone is still holding. Remember the ones who work again with the prop firm. Just go into the promfirmmatch.com. There you will see what is the best option and best discounts for the most trustable prop firms into the market. So that's great. That's beautiful. Um, if you like the prop firms, go and share your experience with with a comment or something. If you don't like have a really bad experience with a prop firm, you can go there and give a review. Just click into the link, check the promotions because every day they have a really good discounts. So I recommend if you are thinking in a prop firm, just go into the prop firm match and check the options what you have, guys. Okay, perfect. So well, now what is happening? What is happening here and why the price is going up? The price is going up because we got the TP3. It's the middle of that massive candle. Many orders for buyers what was setting here. For that reason, we are seeing some retracement. So let's see what happened. This VR. Get the dollar out of me. Okay, guys, the trade it's done. $169. $169. And probably they will retest our long position. Yes. TP3, almost 200 pips. That was beautiful. Let me count here. Yesterday was a buy, 97 pips. Today it's sell plus 196. Hello, hello. 0, 0. 0, 0. Okay, 49, 30. Okay, más 197, 97. Okay, I'm counting the pips from yesterday and today. So 32 trades in gold. The summary for this month in positive is 1,468 pips in positive. Beautiful. Counting all the stop loss, counting the TPS. So that's great. Beautiful. That's great. That makes me happy. I know it's a weird month. It's a weird weird month because many volatility, many things happening. But well, congratulations for the people who understand this is trading. It's difficult every day. It's really, really difficult to came here, sit in front of you guys, try to analyze the broker, well, the chart. Um, that's difficult. It's difficult. Give the signals, try to provide all the support. It's hard, but well, thanks to the people who trust in my work. Thanks for the people who came here with a really good attitude. Dom came here like trying to disrespect the others, trying to disrespect the chat. And well, so that's pretty different, pretty different channel. I know many other channels. Just you can go there and say whatever you want, and that's all. But here I'm trying to, uh, as best as I can, to control the chat. That's tired. It's everyday deal with some comments. Or well, that's beautiful. Starting this week, I was in $8,000. Well, thanks God. I'm recovering the balance. I'm positive for for? Let's see. Close positions. Oh, this is for today. Mm, Okay, let's see. This is the trades for the partials for today. Taking some partials. Some stops from yesterday. Beautiful win for Tuesday for almost 900. Well, more than $1,000. Well, even with all that negative here, that was our biggest profit, almost 1,000. That was beautiful, beautiful week. That's great. Good. Good. Okay, let me see. You're doing your best as you can, yes. Crazy word, yes, you can add the money directly by crypto. That's the best option, to be honest. Add the money by crypto. And I want to show you something, guys. This is the card what I'm talking yesterday. Pretty simple. Wait, wait. So that's the card what I use for the cryptos. As simple as when I go into the supermarket, boop, I pay it with no issues using my USDT. For that reason, I prefer, just use the USDT. For Cellium, if you want to work with Cellium, for example, the people in Mexico, you can add money directly by your bank account. But this is for the people in Mexico. But if you are for United States, for example, you need to use cryptos. If you are for Central America, you need to use cryptos. If you are for South America, you need to use cryptos. If you are for Europe, you need to use cryptos. If you are from Asia, Asia have a different options for payment, UPI, and other things. So, just if you want to work with this beautiful broker, just go into the link and you will create an account. If you create an account and make a deposit, I will give you the Telegram signals for free. The Telegram signals, the price is $169. So you will save that that information. Okay. So yes. So just be clear that because many questions about I can add the money by my Visa card and say now where are you from? I'm from Poland. I said okay, Poland. You need to use crypto there if you want to use selling. Okay, so just be clear of that. Lo apreciamos. Comete frío por nosotros. Estoy intentando comer menos para adelgazar un poco, Nico. Pero lo tendré en cuenta. Ya me dieron ganas de un chifrijito. Qué bueno. Great work. I look forward to continue following you. Thanks, my friend. Gracias por contenido, los trades y la enseña que queríamos en tus videos. Gracias, Pablo. Pura vida, mi amigo. Creo que ya tenemos 3 ticos que ven el canal. Que es raro, la verdad. Aquí en Costa Rica prefieren a chochero, mano. Thanks to you, Lorito, showing us the power of discipline and patience. The patience is the key, guys. That's all. ¿A qué horas inicias Tokio? Tokio es solo para la gente de Telegram, pero inicio aproximadamente 8 horas. Xelion, sing up link, send me. My friend Summers, I already sent the link. The link is into the chat or into the description. How long are you going to stream for? That's I'm closing. Tomorrow, one time we'll live, brother. Just active the notifications, guys. Active the notifications. You will see what is the when I'm going to be in. Okay. So well, guys, today it's done. Really difficult day. It was a really difficult day because Donald Trump, United States, invite Iran. Well, that's difficult. So let's see what happens in the next hours. And let's see. Let's see. United States enjoyed, to go in military actions every month nowadays. So well, they need to spend. They need to spend money in war and well, crazy word, my friend. For if you use my link, you don't need to use the code. Okay. What is your win rate? My win rate is around 70-80%, my friend. It depends of the month. Sometimes it's 65, sometimes it's 70, sometimes it's 75, sometimes it's 80, sometimes it's 85. It depends of the months, my friend. There's magic. Thanks, my friend. FIFA up. Whole no. They need to liberate Iran. They need to liberate all the world. But well, thanks God for Donald Trump. His actions move the market conditions. So well, let's see. Let's see what we have. Okay. Remember, if you want to work with me directly with your Telegram or just receive the support by Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp and you will receive the information. Your country, bro. My country is from Costa Rica. Okay. Just remember, Telegram Signals is not for free. It's a lifetime subscription, $169, guys. Okay. And again, if you want to work with Cilium and receive the welcome bonus, there is the link. And for sure, if you want to be a funded trader, you want to test your knowledge, go into the profitmatch.com. By my side, that's all, guys. I appreciate everyone here. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Um, the thing what I want to go, the ones who are going, it's guys, we need to respect. We need to be respectful because it doesn't matter if you came here and insult me what happened or whatever. But many people, I remember when I was was starting, many people into the chat just saying things. Probably one guy is seeing that comment, and that guy will follow that order what the people are saying into the chat, and probably that order was grown. What happens? The guys lose the position and lose money. That's not the idea to this channel. The idea of this channel is work together, work as a team, grow as a trader, and understand we we can lose money or we can win money. It's trading and it's very difficult. But well, thanks for the ones who understand that. Thanks for the ones who came here with a really good mood. Thanks. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your support. See you soon. Um, Always, guys. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the support. Okay, back tomorrow in New York session here. Okay, peace, bye, and take care of your accounts. Okay, remember we are in crucial moments with Iran and United States, so take care of that. Telegram, the ones who are asking, I appreciate if you go into the channel and ask for the free access. I will block you. Okay, the Telegram is not for free. $169. See you soon, guys, and thanks for the support.